Welcome to Big Mike's Brisket. So today I'm going to use some brisket that I bought at Aldi. I have some salt and pepper and I have some Texas style brisket. They're pretty well cut. I really don't have a whole lot of waste, so I'm just gonna sear them and smoke them, and then I'm gonna sous vide them, and you'll see the end results when I'm done. So I preheat my smoker and my sear burner, and when I use my sear burner, I'm going to sear them for about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. I'm going to skip ahead a little bit here in this process since I seared 4 of them. Today I'm using Traeger's brand pellets. I'm using alder wood. I'll be smoking for about 3.5 hours, maybe 4 hours. So here we are with the finished briskets after smoking for about 3.5, going on 4 hours.
After 3.5 hours of smoking, now it's time to vacuum seal these.
Okay, now I have all 4 briskets smoked. I'm going to put 2 in the freezer so I can use those later, and I'm going to do 1 of each type in my cooking vessel that I made out of a
Sous vide
cooler.
container. I'm going to put 2 of the briskets in. I'll put 1 of the pepper and 1 of the Texas style. I'll cook it for about 16 hours at 180 degrees.
Okay, now it's the next morning, and I'm going to head to work. I'm at 180 degrees. Because I have the Wi-Fi Anova, about 2.5 hours before I'm ready to eat, I'm going to switch the temperature to 203 degrees. This is after coming home, and it's about time to eat, so I unplug the Anova and see what my results are. You can see the meat shrank, and I have plenty of liquid in there. I'm going to cut a hole in the corner of the bag and drain off the juice and use that for gravy and some au jus. So here's the finished product. It's very, very tender. You don't need a knife. I have a nice smoke ring. That's the Texas style there. The one that's not cut yet is the pepper and salt. Turned out very well. Now it's time to try it. Oh, wow, it was delicious.
Mmm. Yum, yum.
Good stuff, huh, Fred? Yeah.